Today, I'll show you how to add an index page to a folder in Squarespace, a task that can help organize your site and improve navigation for your visitors. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create and manage folders within your Squarespace website, giving your content a more polished and professional look. To begin, you'll want to start from your home menu. This is essentially your control center within Squarespace, where you have access to all the tools and options you need to manage your site. Once you're in the home menu, look for the option labeled Website. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can manage your pages, which is where all the magic happens when it comes to organizing your site's content. Now, let's add a folder. You'll notice a plus icon usually located at the top right of your Pages section. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your site, whether that's pages, blog posts, or in this case, a folder. Go ahead and click that plus icon. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select folder, which you'll find under the More section. This step is crucial because it allows you to create a container for grouping related pages together. By using folders, you enhance the structure of your site, making it easier for visitors to navigate through related content seamlessly. Once you've added a folder, it's time to give it a name. Naming your folder appropriately is important because it not only helps you stay organized, but also aids your visitors in understanding what type of content they can expect to find within it. Choose a name that's clear, concise, and directly related to the content it will contain. This simple practice can significantly enhance the user experience, especially for larger websites with numerous pages. With your folder named, the next step is to add a page inside this folder. This process is similar to adding a page anywhere else on your site. Simply navigate back to the plus icon, select the type of page you want to add, and then drop it into your newly created folder. Adding pages to folders allows you to create a hierarchy within your website, which not only looks neat, but also helps with navigation. For instance, if you have a folder named Projects, you can add individual project pages inside that folder, making it easier for visitors to find all related content in one place. That's it. You've successfully added an index page to a folder in Squarespace. By organizing your pages into folders, you've not only made your site easier to navigate, but also enhanced its overall appearance and functionality. This simple yet powerful feature can make a big difference in how your site is perceived by visitors. Remember, the key to a well-organized site is consistency, so consider using folders consistently across your website to maintain a cohesive structure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in improving your Squarespace site. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our tutorials. Happy organizing!